Hi, I hope you are well. Do you have a website that you have programmed and you do not know how to upload it to the internet? In this video, I'm going just to show you that. But before I proceed, remember to subscribe, turn your notification on. So I'll get into my PC. As you can see on my screen, here is the website that I was creating. I was trying to program a news website. So these are the codes that I came up with. As you can see, there is the index HTML. Then there is the home CSS. The CSS is used for styling, for designing, giving instructions to the HTML, the division and the classes. Then there is the JavaScript. You give the functions to the division and the classes to do a certain activity. So basically my site is done now and I needed to upload it to the internet. So what I needed to do is, first of all, you need to buy a domain, then you need to pay for the hosting service. So I went ahead and bought to this company called Kenya Web Experts. I bought a domain and I bought the hosting service. As you can see on my screen, this is their site. There is the one service for the hosting and one domain. So you need to proceed and log into the CPanel. And the CPanel is whereby you are able to control the activities. For example, the emails. You can be able to move your database from, for example, if you are using XAMPP, you can also be able to transfer the database into the database of your CPanel. So after you open the CPanel, there is the option of the files. Then there is the first category of the file manager. That's whereby you input all the files of your site under this category of the file manager. So I'm just going to do that to upload the codes that I have programmed. I'll put them in this file. So in order to do that, I'll have to put the files that I have programmed into a zipped folder so that the uploading can be easier. So I'll go into the location where I've put my programming, my website's codes. So I go back to look for the files. As you can see here, I have 4 files. It is always recommended that whenever you're creating a site, always create a duplicate of the site that you're creating, so that whenever the original code or whenever you mess the original template, you can be able to go back to the duplicate and be able to retrieve the information that I have messed up. So here I have 3 duplicates. So you'll need to put your programmed files into a zip folder. So right click on that folder and click on send to. Then select the option of the compressed zip folder. And after you do that, you can see it automatically starts to compress the folder and put all the files into one zipped folder. This will make the uploading process more easy. You need to wait until the compression process is over. After the compressing is done, go back to your CPanel. Under the category of the home, after you open the file manager, there is, under home, there is the etc, logs, mail, public FTP, then there is the public HTML. So the files, you need to upload them under the category of the public HTML. These are the files that are seen on the internet. So I'll select the option of the public HTML. After you click on it, whenever you have not added any files, it comes with the folder of CGI-bin. That's the only folder that you'll see here. But for my case, I had earlier on uploaded some files. So when you get into this position, you need to click on upload and upload the files that you want to be visible on the internet. So I'll just click on upload. After I tap on the upload, you can see it is telling me to select a file or drop it here. I just select a file. Then you need to find the root to your compressed file. For my case, it is here. As you can see, it is already zipped. So I'll open it and it starts to upload the files. So you need to wait until the files are all uploaded to the site. So wait until the upload is over. For my case, I had already uploaded the files, so I just need to cancel the uploading because I have already uploaded the file. So I'll click go back to the home. After the uploading is complete, click on the go back to home and you will see your zipped file here. So after you do that, you need to extract. You can just tap on it and right click and the option of extracting, as you can see here on top, it will be activated. So we'll just need to extract. After you extract the file will be into a folder. So the reason as to why I have many folders on this public HTML folder, it is because I had moved the files that were in a folder into this public HTML, whereby the files can be easily be accessed. So after you move your files here, you need to make sure you have a file that is indicated index.html or index.htm or index.php. The reason for this, it is because it is programmed to automatically indicate that file and direct it to the internet. That's the file that you are going to see whenever you search a domain. For my case, I have my file here. I have my index.html. This is the home page. It is always recommended that you put the index.html as your home page. So whenever you search the site, this is the index that is going to pop into the internet. So now that I have already uploaded my files, I need to confirm that my site is live and on the internet and that the hosting is working. So in order to do that, I'll go back into the CPanel. So I tap on the CPanel. So on the dashboard of the CPanel, you can see there is on the left side, there's the expounder.co.ke, the primary domain. So my site is called the expounder.co.ke. That's the primary domain that is carrying the hosting of this server. So I'll tap on it. After you tap on it, it is supposed to direct you to the site that is live on the internet. As you can see, my site is loading, and this is my site that I had earlier on show you the programming codes when I was starting. This is the site itself, and that's how you are able to upload the files from the programming codes that you have done. You can move them into a hosting service under the file manager, and your files will be and your website will be live on the internet. You wait for the site to load. Here my site is loading. If you do not have any file that is written as index, whenever you search the domain, you will have a list of the files that you have uploaded, because it doesn't have a directory to search for the index dot. For example, it doesn't have any directory under the index dot. So just make sure you have a file that is in the root of index dot, either PHP, HTML or HTM. So here my site is already loaded and my site is live, and that's how you are able to do it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Talk to us in the comment section. If there was something that was not clear, talk to me and I'll make sure I do the clarification, and I'll see you in our next video.